Music, the most abstract and sublime of all the arts, is capable of transmitting an unbelievable amount of expressive, historical, and even philosophical information to us, provided that our antennas are up and pointed in the right direction.
That is Professor Robert Greenberg from his seminal great course, How to Listen to and Understand Great Music. This course prepares you to understand music's unique language so that you can fully experience its beauty, genius, and power.
Listening and understanding music teaches us to look beneath the surface and to comprehend that which is not immediately visible.
Professor Greenberg gives you an outstanding grasp of musical forms, techniques, and terms, the grammatical elements that make you fluent in the language of music. And he dives deep into the powerful influence of social context on musical creation, combining a history of Western civilization with the history of great music from ancient Greece to the 20th century. Professor Greenberg will take you inside magnificent compositions by Bach, Mozart, Beethoven, Brahms, Tchaikovsky, and more. You may have heard many of these works all your life, but you will never hear them the same way again after Professor Greenberg has opened them up for you. Enrich your life in a transcendent way with How to Listen to and Understand Great Music with Professor Robert Greenberg. Order it now.